We got a train coming here in Dayton, Ohio, Washington Street, northbound. Gates are down. They've been activated. Here we go. With other rail fans. Rail fan vibes is in effect. About to give it to you CSX style. Unless we have a surprise on the front end, we just don't know just yet. Well, I hear him grumping and growling. Oh yeah. Lord, loose there, love it. What a beautiful sight it is. Covered hoppers in action. Oh yeah, now we got some tankers coming through. Beautiful rusty tanker right there. Check that one out. Check out that boxcar. Tall-less. Is that how you can say that? Look at those big tankers. Here we go, Potash Corporation. Potash. Boy, those some big tankers. Wow, that was a short northbound. Big freight. I guess we had to take it on Rail Fans. Please like, share, and subscribe to Rail Fan Vibes. Folks, as the gates go up, thanks for watching. Until the next video, peace out.